Why do you still do it? Why are you still out here?
Well, it goes back to the destiny thing. I made a bargain with it, a long time ago, and I'm holding up my end.
What was your bargain?
To get where I am now.
Should I ask who you made the bargain with?
with the chief commander.
On this earth?
And this earth, and then in a world we can't see.
Every night I'm scared to go to sleep. Something's going on inside my head, but I don't know what it is. I figure standing by my bed, tempting me with money calls, diamond rings, telling me he'll give me finer things. I just have to go with him and put my name to paper. Then the deal is done and everything is in my favor. But wait a minute, what's his deal? He wants to talk about. I like what he's saying, but I think he's leaving something out. Why me? There's something deeper, man. It's plain to see what's hidden in the small print. There's something he's not telling me. Another figure appears. He's just standing there, head bowed down, hands together like he's deep in prayer. He looks at me with his smile and reaches out his hand, says, don't be tempted by the evil of this wicked land. Come with me, God forgives and understands. Don't let them take your soul, cause you're a part of a bigger plan.
Every night inside my dreams, I see these demons. They keep calling out to me. They tell me I could be all that I wanna be. Just give my life to them, they'll give my dreams to me. But they will
I seen this shorty and I'm thinking I can corrupt her. Turn her to the dark side, trap her in a lost mind. Tried to tempt her, told her she could have all riches. I could keep her decked out in gold and keep her wrist froze. Hold up, that's just beginning. If you give in to your senses and start living life sinning, you'll be on a team that's winning. Keep pretending, Holy Father this and Jesus Christ that. Whole world full of hypocrites, ain't nothing wrong with that. Not just sign a dotted line, never mind the fine print. It's just a fact all on your soul at the moment of your end. So don't forget to cross your T's and dot your I's. Evil in disguise, not me. You can find me, I just hide in plain sight. Forget that angel on your shoulder. He's just following orders like a good soldier. Ain't nothing sacred in this world except money, sex, and music. Why not give in to my lies? Rap, sloth, greed, and pride.
Every night inside my dreams, I see these demons. They keep calling out to me. They tell me I could be all that I wanna be. Just give my life to them, they'll give my dreams to me. But they will own my soul.
Are you sure you feel you wanna go down that path? The devil is a liar, don't believe that trash. He can give you fame, sex, money, cars, and clothes, but don't sell your soul when you can get it on your own. You see, people who side with the devil are lazy, don't wanna put him up, but what the price is crazy. So they call up on the beast, make a sign of blood or ink. You might have read the contract, but he would cheat you with the fine print. I can get you where you need to be, but you gotta stay patient and master your occupation. There's gonna be trials or tribulations to prepare you for when you reach your destination. You don't want the measly 50 seconds of fame, you want longevity. So put your faith in me and you'll be legendary. You see the reason why he prays immortals like yourself, because he knows that darkness light will always prevail. So come with me.
Every night